It's time to meet the future you. Keep watching. Hi everybody, it's Christi Bovee with the Voice Love Company. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below so you don't miss a single video or when I go live. Need more voice love in your life? I write a love letter to my subscribers every Monday. Get your love letter in the description box below. Now let's get started. There's no doubt about it, this time of year is so busy, so life-altering in a lot of ways, and sad for a lot of people. And it's important to prioritize self-care. I saw a quote the other day that says, "Do something today that your future self will thank you for." It was a great reminder for me during this busy holiday season when there are more things piled onto my already busy life to take time out to care for myself. It's important to remember that we can't live our lives in the past, nor can we live them in the future. All we have is this moment right now in the present. And it's important that we do things that help us ground ourselves to be in the moment so that we can be fully present for those whom we love. So I want to encourage you to do something today that your future self 5 years from now, 5 Christmases from now, will thank you for. Lean into your fear and do stuff anyway. Continue to demand growth from yourself by the things that you do throughout your day. Decide to take care of your health. Push past the difficulty and have that difficult conversation with the family member you know you need to talk to. Let yourself step out in faith and dream again. Let go of your anger, of your disappointments, of your frustrations, of your grief. Let go. Find your voice in the world, in your conversations, in your relationships, in your life. And most of all, don't quit. Well, that's it for me today. Like if you liked it, subscribe, and don't forget to share with someone you know needs a little pep talk. You can ask me any question about your voice in the comments down below, on my blog at voicelove.co, on Instagram at the Voice Love Company, and now on yzo.com. Get all those details in the description box below. Do something that your future self will thank you for. Keep finding your voice and making your sound in the world today. The world is waiting for you to show up. And remember, you are loved. Bye-bye.